Good evening. I'm Denise Williams, and this is the Daily Dollar. If you want more insurance for less, you might be able to have it. In fact, all you have to do is really ask. Take auto insurance. What you pay depends on a lot of things, including your driving record, how much you drive your car, where it's parked, where you live, what type of car you drive, your age, your sex, and of course the type and amount of coverage you have. Joe Holness of J & General Insurance gives some tips.
Some of the things that we can do to mitigate your insurance premiums are, for motor, I don't know if it's a widely known fact that if you restrict the driving to yourself, the premium is less than if it's an open drive policy. Therefore, you could choose that you only want yourself and one other person, your spouse or a responsible child, to drive. Age is also an important factor in motor premiums. The younger you are, the more premiums tend to be charged against you.
Tell your agent you want to lower your premiums without losing any of the benefits, and chances are good that he or she can find a way.
We have a program in association with the JAA, the Driver Improvement Program. So if you have a youngster, a teenager who has recently received their driver's license, or they have had their license but not the driving experience on the roads, there is a driver improvement program which they can do, and if they are successful, we will in fact reduce their premium by a prearranged percentage.
How much you can afford for a deductible or uninsured risk? Well, that depends on your cash flow. If you can pay for a loss out of cash on hand, consider not insuring it.
Regarding your home insurance, what could you do to reduce the premium? Good maintenance is one. In addition to hurricane straps, and there's very little one can do regarding where your house is located, but there are options. For instance, you can choose to take a higher deductible or excess in respect of hurricane or earthquake. The standard is 2% that you're responsible for of the sum insured. However, if you choose, and we offer options for 3.5%, 5%, the rate can be adjusted accordingly.
As with most other things, when it comes to insurance, you get what you pay for. Don't pay to insure against minor losses, but don't ignore real perils because of the coverage that has a hefty premium. And that's this evening's edition of the Daily Dollar. Let's keep in touch. Tweet me at DensWills and send your financial questions to The Daily Dollar at televisionjamaica.com or Facebook/The Daily Dollar. Remember, learning is the beginning of wealth. I'm Denise Williams. Good evening.